Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create an account on Behance for portfolio. So let's get started. First of all, write Behance in search bar. Now open the first website. Now click on sign up. Now click on from Google account. Click on continue. Select graphic design. See my custom feed. We have to complete these points: profile picture, URL, availability and project link. Click on edit profile info. Now enter the profile detail. For example, your first and last name, your job description. For example, I am a video editor. Now enter your company name. Enter your location and city. Here you can enter your website URL as well. From here you can connect your Twitter account, LinkedIn and Instagram account as well. After connecting, you can add username of Facebook and other social media accounts. Scroll down. Here in description tab, paste the description. After doing this, click on banner image. Select the banner image. Click on done. The banner image has been uploaded. Now upload your profile picture. Click on upload. Profile picture has been uploaded. Click on freelance project. You can add your availability. For example, I am selecting now. Here you can add your prices. After doing this, you can select categories from here. For example, I am a video editor. I will select video editing categories. Now click on done. Now add your project. First of all, add an image. Now after completing all details, you can simply click on continue. Enter your project title. Enter project tags related to your category. For example, I am a video editor. I will try to add all tags that will be related to video editing. After adding tags and other details, you can simply click on publish. There you go. We have published our portfolio in Behance. So that's it for today. If you have found this video informative, please make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos.